Did you know that you can add mixed fractions without first converting to improper fractions? How do we go about it? What you have to do is to let's pay attention. Let's pay attention on this one. Let's focus on these ones. We are focusing on the 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. So we pick 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. And to add fractions fast, all you have to do is just multiply like this. 2 times 4 will give 8, then plus, then you multiply like this. 5 times 3 will give 15. Then that will be over, you now multiply like this. 5 times 4, that will give 20. You first multiply the first numerator by the second denominator, then you multiply like this, and then you multiply the denominators, so that we have 8 plus 15 is 23 over 20. Now we can turn this into mixed fraction so that we have one whole number 3 over 20. Then this is what we will add to 8 and 9 that we have, the whole numbers that we have in the given question, so that we have 8 plus 9 plus 1, 3, 20. So 8 plus 9 will give 17. 17 plus 1 will give 18. So the answer will be 18 whole number 3 over 20. And that is how to add without having to convert. If you have to first convert this to mixed fraction, it will take longer than this. Let's try one more. Let's add 2 1/4 plus 5 1/3. So all we have to do here is let's leave the 2 and the 5. So 1 times 3 would give 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we say plus 3 times 1 is 4. Then over 4 times 3 is 12. So this will be 7 over 12. Then we have 2. We add 2 plus 5. That will give 7 whole number 7 over 12. Now you solve this and leave your answer in the comments and let me know if you are able to solve it in a few seconds. 6 1/6 plus 4 3/5. See you in the next video.